welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to talk through my hair extensions, hair care products and items I like to use. So without further ado, I think we should start this video. So I've got plenty of things I really want to show you. So let's just start off with this Silk System Professional Art Super Shampoo. And it came with the Silk System Professional Nutri Cream. So this smells like so good. It smells like custard. And this I don't really remember. Let me just sniff it. I don't know. Smells like shampoo. So I've also got this Series Expert from L'Oreal Professional Blondifier Cool again. I've showed this in my recent videos. So I've got this again. It's just a silver shampoo because, you know, blonde hair, you really want to, I don't know, you don't want to get it too brass. So you want to reduce the brassiness with this. And moving on to my next item because I don't know what else to talk about a shampoo. So I've also got this hair mask, Lipedium Absolute Repair from L'Oreal. This is a little sample, but I used to have it in like a tube. I really need to get a new one, but I've got so many little samples of this, so I'm first of all going to use them. So this is a really hydrating hair mask, and I don't like to use it very often, but every now and then I think this should be used like a very hydrating hair mask because, you know, this hair's just stuck on and it won't get nutrition from your scalp, from your body. So you need to help it. So this is very good. Let me just show it up close and then move on. I've also got two hair oils. So this is the Lux oil I've been using for a long time now, and look at this. Look at this. It's not even like half used because you get so much out of it, and you get it for a really good price on Amazon sometimes. So this is my go-to favorite hair oil. And then I found another one also from, no, this is from L'Oreal, Absolute Repair Lipedium. So this is the hair oil like matching to this hair mask I showed you before. And this is also very good. And I like that it has this little travel size. So you can just, you know, put it in your bag and you're good to go. You always have a little bit of hair oil, which I think is very important because, you know, you don't want to get your hair dry and brittle, especially when you use a lot of heat on it. I don't know, I always like to put this in afterwards. So I'm gonna give this a little bit more of a try, but so far I really like it. And I almost forgot this. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo in the scent Floral and Flirty Blush. This is for lighter hair, and I know you can get it for like darker hair. And honestly, this is the lifesaver because, you know, taking care of extension is all fine and all good, but once it comes to the blow drying part, let me tell you something. It is a whole new experience. Anyway, if you use this, you don't have to really, you know, you still have to wash your hair, but you know, you can maybe reduce it to washing it twice a week or once a week. So that's been all for my products, and now I'm gonna move on to like the items. So first of all, I've got this hair extensions hairbrush, and I can't pronounce the name, so I'm just gonna kind of try to show it. There you go. It looks like this, nothing too special. Sorry if there's any hair or something in there because, you know, I use it and I clean it, but you know, you won't get everything out. But anyway, this is the hairbrush I like to use, and I've actually got a little hair tie on it, but yeah, I really like to use scrunchies because, you know, they won't damage your hair, they look very cute, and, you know, if you have a nice outfit and just a cute little scrunchie, so sweet. And it looks better if you like tie them around your wrist than like a normal hair tie. So yeah, I really like to use them. And I also like to use those cute head or hairbands or scarves, bandanas. I don't know how you call them, but I think they look so cute. I've got a lemon one on right now. And I'm gonna show you my last two items. right now. I know this was such a weird transition, but I don't really knew how to, you know, move on. So here I am showing you my last two items, and it is a GHD blow dryer and a GHD curling iron wand. I don't know how you want to call it, but these two are my favorites. Literally, this blow dries your hair so nicely and so smoothly. You won't get a lot of damage, because I had one before and I don't know how I've been so stupid about it, but I've used it, you know, and I always thought, why is my hair breaking off? And then I realized that it's my blow dryer. And so my boyfriend got me this. I don't know if it was for my birthday or I can't remember, but I know he got me this and I'm so happy about this. This is just a game changer. And then this curling wand, curling iron is so good. I really wanted this for ages, and you know, this is on the more expensive side and I get it, but come on, it's like you only can do like one size of curls with it. So I charge 150, 180 quid. No. So I went on eBay and I got it for 80 quid, I think. Brand new, like the lady used it like once or twice. No scratches, the original packaging, everything. So yes, I've been really happy about this. And you know, I've got like little waves in here because I curled them like 2 days ago, and today I really need to wash my hair. But I really wanted to show this again because I don't know, I've been really enjoying it even more lately. Okay, you guys, so that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to follow me on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at Robson Amy. As usual, I'm gonna blend it in right here and link it down below. And let me know if you find these videos helpful, because personally, I like to watch those kind of videos to get like advice or, you know, product ideas or, I don't know, style ideas. And I think today's video was all of it, like advice, products, hairstyling items, I don't know. So anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.